Hi guys, so first off we're just going in with the Revolution Matte Base Foundation in the shade F1 and we're just applying this with a foundation brush. I think I lost a clip here, but we're actually going in with the Unicorn Cosmetics Pink All Sorts palette, and we're going in with this pink shade here and the darkest, it's a dark brown but it looks like a black, so the dark brownish black shade at the end here. And this doesn't have to be neat guys, it is a Halloween look, so it can be as messy as you want. Then I'm just going to take the NYX Jumbo white eye crayon, and this is what's going to give me the doll effect eyes. Now I'm just going in with the pink shade in that palette again, and I'm just drawing on some bright pink rosy cheeks. And I'm just doing some fake freckles. Now I'm just drawing on some little cracks and some little mishaps with some Snazaroo black face paint. Here I am just drawing on some cracks, some little holes and stuff that's in the doll's face. And again, I'm just doing this with some Snazaroo black face paint. Wanted to keep this look quite simple, so this is a more sort of simplistic look this time. Now I'm just finishing off the eyes a little bit, and I'm just drawing a black line under that just to make it look like my eyes are massive, like doll eyes. Now I'm doing the thin red doll lips, and I'm also going to do like a kind of hinged mouth as well, so that's what I'm doing here. This is the hinged mouth that I was telling you guys about. This is me drawing this on, so it kind of looks like the mouth is like kind of puppet mouth. Then I'm just applying some mascara and a little bit of glitter to the eyes. I'm also just applying these really luxurious lashes